Guys, we are coming to you from SeaWorld San Antonio. This will be a first-time visit for me. I'm excited to hop on a lot of the great rides here. It's going to be exciting. Join us for the ride, the top end into the park, and go have an awesome time. I mean, it's a new SeaWorld park, a new park credit. I'm excited to get right into it.
What is up, guys? This is the ParkTwister channel, coming from you live from SeaWorld San Antonio.
First ride of the day, and it's a kiddie coaster.
Let's go!
What do you have there?
Need a work rod.
That's cold. That's cold. That's cold.
Ha ha ha!
SeaWorld San Antonio is a beautiful park. It's very similar to Orlando. I enjoyed it. What did you think?
It was fun. I grew up coming here all the time, so
Yeah.
I had a blast.
She's from Texas. I am not. Like, city boy like me comes and to, you know, out west to Texas. But with that being said, guys, that's gonna do it from this episode here, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.